you will learn how to implement your daily planner online. This is a free-to-use utility and works completely in browser, which means no data is sent to the server or anything. This is a perfect tool for people who work a lot of time in front of computers, bloggers, software developers, content writers, etc. So the awesome thing about this is it will notify you after end of each project with a 1-second alarm that rings 3 times. This page resets at midnight of every day, so I suggest you to export the plan once created. If the plan is your thing, you do repeatedly every day. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. So I'm going to create 3-hour project. Put alarm, hit add. So it's added. You can even delete this if you don't want it. Notice from 9 to 12 it's disabled. That means you cannot add anything else overlapping, let's say from 9:30 to 12:30 per se, so you cannot add that. So you have to choose after that. So let's say we'll have a lunch from 12 to 1 p.m. and I will choose 5. That's what, 2 hours. Okay, I'll hit add. Now that I have created these 2 projects that I want to use, I can export the plan. Once I export the plan, and I can import the same plan tomorrow, let's say if this is what I'll be working almost like every day, then I can import this JSON file. I have reloaded the page and the data is gone. Not quite so yet, because I have saved a copy using an export plan and I saved the JSON file. All I have to do is import it. This is the file, and there you go. This is my project daily planner from before. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Have a good day.